By having a CAT team, you have much more active involvement of the membership.
Since we started using the CAT training, we have much better communication both ways between the membership and the local.
The whole Build and Power, the whole theme of that is about being active, activism in the plan.
It's an excellent tool to keep our members informed.
If you don't stand up, if you don't count for something, then you're going to have nothing.
Contract action teams provide our members with information, keeps them informed, empowers them to make good, solid decisions.
It builds solidarity. It builds strength. It builds, it educates your members. It informs your members.
When you sit down and go through this training, it helps you think more clearly about the negotiations and who you might work with in your own plan.
Without it, I don't think we would have had as strong as communication with the fellow union brothers and sisters that we did have.
I think the CAT team, where you have the one-to-one, face-to-face involvement, is really what works best.
Activism is paramount.
Rank and file activists, vital to making sure that you have a strong local that survives.
There's a coordinator from the negotiating team that passes it down to individuals who pass it on and pass it on.
As you can see, every department is laid out on here. And all these, you'd have a contact person in every department that would distribute and give information to the membership as we went through contract negotiations.
Yeah, it'd be real important to have everybody in each department.
As a CAT coordinator, your responsibilities are getting the information and getting it out to everybody that you work with so everybody knows what's going on.
Even it goes from shift as many as shift to shift, which you get a whole lot of people involved this way.
I have people in each department that make sure they take the information that we get from the negotiating committee, and they make sure that every member on the shop floor gets a copy of what's going on to keep our members informed.
The design of the CAT team was such that people were responsible for a certain number of people. One was able to commit to a number that they were comfortable with.
Not one person can be responsible for communicating to a whole local, whether it be just 20 members or 250 members or as large as we are, which is over 5,000 members. You have to have a team.
We have a large institution. We have like about 45 different areas. So in order to make it a little more manageable, we have broken it down into zones.
I'm responsible for all the tower floors to make sure there's enough members that have signed up and that are willing to participate in keeping the information flowing.
I have people that are assigned to my unit and to other units that I cover that as negotiations proceed, I will contact these people either email or by telephone and let them know what the status of our negotiations are doing. So therefore they can then get it out to the rest of the membership on their units.
Now with this in place, we can really get the information back to our members to keep them informed and build solidarity.
Communication is key. And the only way that you are really going to be able to effectively communicate with your members is by organizing a team.
By having a CAT team, we were able to communicate with our members efficiently and quickly and get our message out to them and also allow them to get any messages they felt were important back to us.
We have that two-way communication from the membership back to the negotiating committee, and you are the vehicle.
It's coming right out of the negotiating team. I mean, it's fed back to the plant, and these people have all the issues and all the pertinent information. It's not rumors, it's facts.
Now membership knows who to turn to get their appropriate and important information during negotiations.
People felt involved. There was a two-way communication going on at all times.
And by the membership feeling that they're a part of it, they're willing to volunteer to do things and to show solidarity.
And, an informed member is, in our opinion, is a good member.
I believe in having an informed membership does make it stronger.
I think that it's important for upper management to see that we are unified and that we all really do care.
I feel like I could get more involved if I know everything that's going on.
You gotta get involved. If you don't get involved, everything stays the same.
It's beneficial to have the flyers and the stickers because this way the membership does know what's going on.
Everybody's on the same page during negotiations. Everybody knows what's going on. They're all wearing their stickers, their shirt, the same color shirts that day.
And this time that if we can get everybody stickered up, t-shirted up and hatted up on different days, that the hospital will quickly realise all the nurses are working together now.
It is one way of us showing solidarity.
Through the CAT team, in our first venture, which is our sticker day, if you see we're all wearing RNs, we love caring for you, and it was designed by the RNs. Through the building power that the Steelworkers provided our local with.
When I gave it out to the members, they were really pleased. Wow, it's showing that we do care. It doesn't say anything bad, but it also showed administration by everyone wearing it on their uniform that showed how much the membership was behind the union.
Everybody's wearing this because it shows solidarity in all of us.
The stickers are very important because it makes all the nurses stand together, unite together, and fight for our rights and our needs.
We're here to show our unity and let the administration know that we do mean business.
When the hospital sees that all 1,267 nurses are wearing stickers, it's going to have a huge impact on how they handle negotiations.
When they see everybody involved, wearing their little pins, wearing what we've planned down the road banners, that they will see that the hospital is united and we will get a better contract.
You see someone wearing the local T-shirt, and you know that that person is supportive of the union.
One way that we're going to really show the university that the members are behind us is by using these T-shirts. If they see people wearing these T-shirts that say U of T strength is steel, they're going to get the message. That's going to make them blink.
What it's doing is showing the administration that there's support from the membership for the negotiating committee.
The CAT team was really responsible for making sure that we got a good contract this time. We made solid gains.
The sticker drives, the informational pickets, the T-shirt days, they all went well. They sent the message back to the company that, look, we know what's going on. We're together. We're solid on these issues. We're here supporting our union and our negotiating committee to get us a decent contract.
When a random drug testing program came onto the table, that evening when we broke, we were thinking about stickers. Ended up being the red circle / random drug testing in it. When we got back to negotiations that morning, phones started ringing, and they got the news that the stickers were being worn by everybody down here.
The company was surprised that everybody stood up and got counted. It totally took them off guard that people stood up for their rights.
Within an hour, the random drug testing was taken off the table.
What we have done is shown the company that we're sticking together on the issues.
I think we felt more united. You get a better contract by sticking together because there's more of you. You always get more with more.
Committee is only as strong as the membership.
And that's what the contract action team does. It bonds everybody.
Got people to realize that it isn't just all about them, it's about the whole group of us.
I think it's going to be much easier to get more people involved.
It's a lose-lose situation if they don't get involved. And it doesn't take that much time.
To make something work, you got to get involved. If you don't get involved, everything stays the same.